Hey guys, my name is Jasmine and CL convinced me to make a video about colored contacts, so here it is. So colored contacts are a great way to make your cosplay look better because they make your eyes bigger and more anime-like. So I personally buy my colored contacts online from sites like Honey Color and Pinky Paradise, which I will link down below, but you can also find them in various stores. So colored contacts usually come in little boxes like these, which are actually pretty old because I don't have any unopened ones, but I saved them so I can show you what's inside. So in this one, they come in these little thingies, which you open, but they are more likely, if you order from online, they come in these little bottles. And there is actually a whole video that Pinky Paradise made about how to open these little bottles and how to store your eye lenses, so that I will link down in the description below for you to see. An important thing you need to pay attention to on the little bottle is the expiration date, which will be somewhere here. So after taking your contacts out of their little boxes or the little bottles, you need to put them in one of these bad boys. And here they'll stay until their expiration date, and then you have to throw them away. When you want to take them out of the little box, you can use one of these, as you can see. Clean by dropping some multi-purpose solution and rubbing it softly. Make sure to never use water. Put the contact on your index finger and check that it's not inside out. Blink until it adjusts. If you are new to contacts and you are having a hard time putting them in, you should start by getting used to touching your eyes and the areas around them. Now let's talk about some do's and don'ts. Don't share your contacts with anybody. Take out your contacts if you develop sore, red or irritated eyes. Don't wear contacts if you have any eye disease. Don't sleep with contacts. Don't swim with contacts. Don't wear for more than 8 hours. Always keep in room temperature. Use eye drops if your eyes feel dry. To take out the lens, slide it down and gently squeeze between your thumb and your index finger. Okay, so I think that's it. If I missed anything or if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more of me, please check out my Instagram. And don't forget to check out the channel's Instagram. See you next time!